सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक्निकल एंड प्रोग्रामिंग के चैनल को और साथ में बेल आइकॉन पर भी क्लिक कर दीजिए लेटेस्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. Today I will discuss about how to create a WordPress blog. So first of all, open any browser in your PC or mobile. Search on Google WordPress and search it. So click on wordpress.com official site. Click on this first link. So drop down, scroll down and click on get started for free. So see here, give the name of your site here. My site is my channel site, Technical and Programming AK. Okay, this site is what will use site be about. So my site is information technology. So okay, check it out and click on continue. So type here your site name. Okay, see here, click on this free blog, select this and click on start with free. Okay, continue and see here your blog is successfully created. So view site, click on view site and run it. So see here your site URL here. So copy and paste here. Paste it here. So okay, see here your site is here. So I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel Technical and Programming AK and click on bell icon for another updates. So thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.